Hello, my community members. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you doing, guys? By the way, mkoaje? Let me speak English because of our international community or anybody who doesn't understand Swahili or Sheng. So, yet another beautiful day. We are here to sum up the month of July. You remember we had a 20 days, this one, 20 days of trading Euro USD challenge, alright? So I want us to go through the trades briefly, and then you can look at that because we were collecting some sort of data on the same. I believe you're having a good time, so let's get right into it. My name is Davey. I'm a seasoned trader. I do train, as you can see from the pinned message, and then a market analyst. I just look at the market just with an overview to see what is happening. Right, let's get right into it. So this is trade one. So I pinned it yesterday. I reacted to it, and I was sending this message here to my Davy Banks community. July was a tough month for many traders, with losses, missed opportunities, and valuable lessons that tested our discipline. So and all of that. So this is the trade that I did that I really reacted to, and so get right into it. So this is how I used to write my trades and trade ideas and all of that. So this is Euro USD shorts, Frankfurt session, financial instrument, currency pair, Euro USD, chart provider, FXCOM, time frame M15. That is my time, my bias, my analysis. Like if I'm looking, for example, in a demand zone or a surprise zone, I just use my M15. Alright, so trade number and then outcome and then the hashtag always to always bring the community. So this is trade one. It was a 0R, as you can see from here. So now this being a 0R, it means this trade ended at break even. All right, yeah, and this is Frankfurt. You see 8:15, 8:30, 8:45 before you get to now London Open. All right, 0R, trade one. Let's go. There was nothing here. We said, will we be liquidated? Because we see this trade right here, it did not get to our 3R. We say rules are rules, data logic rules, and that's all that we're looking for. So this is the trade, right? Break even, almost hitting our 3R, but hey, we had this SMT, so this is how the trade went. So it got it became a tough one right there, so we did not correct anything. Trade one on trade one. So we proceed, we continue. Nothing. Break even, boom, guys. I said on to the next. Stay tuned for more trades, executions, and ideas. That is it, and we are out. We said Euro USD is the best pair yet. Alright, we go. We say this one. I said damn money has been liquidated by smart money. This was the trade that I had before. Then I said risky trade since we are holding liquidity. Also, the taken liquidity from the extreme inducement has been deployed to rally or to fill the market to the downside. Everything was okay, but also these equal highs. This was a point of liquidity. So this actually was not a good one. So that's why we say that. And the outcome was this. This is the outcome of the trade. So just follow my rules, data and logic. So that is what we say right here. So let's go. Oh, this was just comparing. I don't know whether we go if we do like this we'll be able to finish. Can we look at only the trades? You leave out the rest of the information so that you can go and research on yourself and look at the. So this is like I was comparing the chart providers. This is Wanda FXCOM. So this is like FXCOM, red frag trade, boom, and then Wanda. Let's see, not bad at all. So let's continue. Let's go to the trades quickly. You look at the others, NFPs and the rest. And so usually there's one thing you can realize, guys. For the 20 days, I've been able to show up every day. Look at this day. This is now 2nd of July. 2nd of July, I'm up. Good morning, traders. Data logic rules. Just follow my plan. Or follow your plan, I mean. You look at that. Good morning, 6:22. Today's economic events, East African time, 22. This is it. This is what we are having and all of that. So just the outlook, and then we have this EURUSD medium time frame pre-session outlook. Our bias and price objective remains as our end of date updates. Reaction zones updated. We react to what price presents, not what we think. So this is like my how I do it, right? Yeah, that is it. Yeah, we are unique in different ways. This is trade number 2, -1R. This was a straight stop loss. So that is the trade, this one. Alright, so this is the trade. We have this liquidation. Man, there's no shift here. There's no shift. Okay, the opposing zone. This was a red flag trade, but we took it anyway. Trade number 2. I think this is the history or anything. And so trade number 3, we have it. EURUSD shorts pre-London session. 3R and taken out at break even. Price rallied to stop loss after it has taken us out. Alright, it was a 3R trade. Let's continue quickly. Trade number 4, 3R. This is the trade right here. I know you're able to see that. That is trade number 4. This is the trade. I said 3 hours later. I mean, like it was 3 hours later. The trade took so long. As we say, see you later. I have other engagements, feedback. By the way, why do you guys not engage me as much? I get few feedback, but it's good that you really get in touch, because I'm not here to teach you anything. You're here to learn. I'm still learning. The reason that I did the 20 days is only because I wanted you guys to be my accountability, team. We're here to help each other. Because if I did it on myself and I could get at, for example, date 17, and I leave it at that, you couldn't know anyway. But hey guys, you are holding me accountable, and this is how we do it right here. So this was a case study. You get it? Liquidation, shift, PBL failure. There was this opposing liquidity, we get tagged, fueling it and rallying the market to the downside. Let's continue. This was part of the data. I said hello traders. July 5th, achieved 11R. Week 1, 50% win rate. Alright, 4 trades taken so far. Let's continue. So we had our boom, all of that. Never enter a trade without a plan. That was just a checklist. And then good morning, continue. Which one is this one? Is this trade 5? SL? No, trade idea. Let me see what happened right here. Oh, break-even point violated. We invalidate. Good guys, we continue. This is how we trade. Case study. Boom, missed. Trade 5 was missed. Got it? Yeah, it was missed. This is the trade. It was missed, then violating our break-even point where it could be going risk-free. Alright, I think this is the trade. Yeah, USD longs invalidated. I think I counted that. USD shorts case study. I saw the shorts after the buy side liquidity, but ignored it since it would be a counter trend, a trade on my trade idea. Counter trend. Also considering we are inside the MTF demand zone. See you on EOD updates. Showing up every day is our execution is worship. Alright. Do it with God every day. Good morning traders. Don't want us to jump a trade. So this is trade number 6, -1R. Stop loss hit. Kidungi FX. Hey, what is this? Waking up 6 a.m. just to hit a stop loss. Y'all, I think I took this as this liquidity This was there was a liquidation right here, and then I took this as my PBL, a shift, then a PBL failure. Bro, I mean I could have entered here. What is the case? Because if we have this liquidation, this one here, this main liquidation, and then this just a fractal shift, and then tag inside this, and then break even, you could have gone this. My entry could be there, and then my break even, I could be out at break even, but I ignored the rules. Then I got sparked out. Y'all, what's going on? You stop loss hit. This was purely formal. Oh, I said it. Ninajishtaki, man. We have a defined Asian low, Asian high range. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Trade 7, 0R. Nothing. So far, nothing. 3R, 0R. Stop loss hit. Y'all, what's going on? Let's continue. We are 11 minutes into the video. So, many love information, but are allergic to execution. Good morning, traders. We have something to motivate us every day. All right. So today's events, East African time. High impact expected. FOMC. Boom, boom, boom. This is it. USD bias. Boom, boom. Good. Shots. BE. I think this is it. This is the trade. Trade number 8. We are going on very well. Liquidation shift. Let me see this trade. We have liquidation. We have a shift. Opposing zone. We had this inducement liquidity right here. Tagged. Let's see. Think I went break even here or something. Let me confirm. Yes, and that's how the trade ended. Missed Euro USD trade shorts. Yo, July was bad. It was good anyway. I'm just kidding to you. So this is the shift here. Liquidation shift, opposing zone. We have this pile up of buy side liquidity. Maybe I was expecting that price will be, it was coming all the way. I was trying to expect it to come there. Then hey, break-even point violated. Guys, we invalidate. One of the things that I've learned as a trader is sitting down and doing nothing. Doing nothing at all. Today events, East African time, and then that's how it is going. You leap what you saw, not where you saw. Good morning, traders. Boom, boom, boom. Every day, the same thing. Economic calendar. Good morning. My MTF precision outlook. I will stay flexible. What is this? Let me click. Once we are over that season, we just look at it and then we learn. Yeah, there is nothing to fear here. If I hit a stop loss, you cannot kill me. At the end of the day, you cannot beat me. Alright, Euro USD shorts post New York session. Boom, boom, boom. Trade 10. Outcome 0R. What is this? Trade 10. Whew. Here we go again. This one here. Break even. That is it. That is the break even. Man, when I tell you it has been tough. Years of data tells me there is a 75% chance. If the previous day's low candle closes bearish below the previous day, price trades below the previous day is low. Boom, some tweets right there to brainstorm. And then trades 11, 6R. For the first time, we have a 6R. Okay, tag 3R. Boom, boom, boom. Can we open it? Okay, let's get through it. We have a lot of time. All right, and this is it. Boom, boom, boom. Tag. That is the trade. This is London open. So the liquidation of the Asian high. All right. We have the liquidation shift. But hey, man, we don't have an opposing zone. It's the extreme. I don't know whether I took this fair value gap right here, but it is an LTF fair value gap, so I don't know whether we can depend on it. So that is all tagged inside this. Then we have this pile up of buy side liquidity. Maybe I was expecting that price will be, it was coming all the way. I was trying to expect it to come there. So inverted fair value gap, and then we go break even. This it looks like a clean one anyway. 3R, that is the 3R, and then boom 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 6R. Even if you're disorganized, just trade anyway. Have to make some money out of it. Trade 12, outcome 3R. This is the trade. This is the trade 3R. Imagine missing with an example, for example, at 0.8 pips. This is New York. I don't know, New York. I don't go very well with New York. Okay, there was this buy side liquidity. Though this was a tricky trade, it was a very hectic bad one. Anyway, let's go. Here we go, guys. This is what I was trying to do. I crossed the commissions and then I crossed the 3R. I don't know what is that. It is because of the impact of the those things. Yo, we having a challenge and all of a sudden the exchange is not moving. Let's continue. Case study or something. Let's go. We are on 9th date 9. Guys, are we going to reach to date 31st? Let's continue. 16. Boom. I don't know, this is not a convincing one, but anyway, how can we take these? Anyway, it looks like, I don't know where we were. It's a study anyway. Trade idea. What is this? Risk free. Okay, let's see. And then boom, out. Euro USD MTF EOD outlook. Complete Asian liquidity sweep. PDL PDH induced. And then good morning traders. Hey guys, wake up, it's 6:47. What are you doing in bed? Reactions was updated. We react to what price presents, not what we think. I will stay flexible. I get into the day. Case study. What is this? This is Asian. Yeah, this is clean. I mean like this is not a trade, but it's like a pullback entry model. So this is liquidation, shift, tag. This is what is called what? Is like a mid-Asian whatever. And then break even 3R somewhere right here, and then hey guys, we are out. That's a case study anyway. Trade 14 5R. That is the trade right there. We continue. Boom, and we end the day with one trade. Euro USD MTF EOD up. Boom 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 boom. Let's go. Case study. This is same evening. Have a blessed weekend. Feedback. David Ndongo. Proud to be a trader. By the way, I don't think there's something to. Yesterday I said that I'll not be on the charts, so I just went out to do some meetings and catch up with guys, and what I realized is that a lot of guys that I met right there, and some of them are in this community. Hey guys, so I thought and I realized that many traders don't have any other way out. Only trading is the only way. So we say data logic rules. Follow your rules. What is this? Week 2 July economic calendar. Boom boom boom. I was lazy, guys. I sent this Euro USD top down. Boom boom boom. DTF, HTF, MTF, EOF. I'm done. I'm tired, but I gotta show up every day. So EOF. What is this? Supply zone imbalance, buy side liquidity, inducement, displacement. So like if you see a displacement, by the way, there's a very high likelihood of the market coming to clear the zone. We are not learning that. Good morning, fam. No concerning events from my economic calendar today. Thank God it's Monday. Eric Thomas, what is that? So Euro USD MTF precession outlook. So this is how it's going. Boom boom boom. And then, by the way, do you read these books, inducements? I recommend you read this book. Alright? Read this book. Read this book. Let me react to that. Read this book. Read. Boom. Let's go back anyway. What's going on here? So we continue anyway. That's a missed right one there. Case study, entry model, partials, USD 5-hour hit. I'll be focusing with our premium community for now. By the way, we do give out signals, we teach, we do all of that. So if you don't understand some concepts or you need clarity, get in touch. By the way, we release these videos also. Make sure that you watch them. EOD, trade 15 5-hour. This is what I was reacting to. This is the trade 15 now 5-hour. Data. We are looking for data. All right. So we are looking for data. This was like a medium inducement, whatever, liquidation. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Or a scaling of this trade. I don't know. I think so. If I'm not wrong. Anyway, that is the trade. I'll be focusing. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Let's continue. Outlook. Boom. 5-hour. That is the trade that I reacted to. Everyone wants to be a millionaire until it's time to execute a trade and risk $200. It's bad. Calendar. Today's economic events. T. What is that? Guys, sometimes it's good to get crazy. Alright. Let's continue. We don't have time, by the way, guys. So let's go. Then trade 6 was a 6-hour trade. Let's just look at that. That is it. This is the trade. It is London. This is London session. And therefore, boom, boom, boom. Let's see. SMT, GBPSD, 3-hour TP hit, and then boom, out. Trade 17 out at 3-hour. All right. Yeah. Let's go. This is whatever you are doing. It can be done faster. Good morning. So yeah, we continue here. I mean, there is this one right here. Break-even point violated. Price only turn. We invalidate. Trade 19 -1-hour. Another clean stop loss. I like stop losses, by the way. Missed just to hit a stop loss. Liquidation inside this zone. What is this? I doubt this zone. Liquidation, shift, and then we have this opposing zone right there. And then hey, this momentum was very, very quick, but we had this opposing liquidity. So I thought like it will take this liquidity and then price should rally to the upside. Is a London open trade. Anyway, we take the loss. We used to be in these communities like guys who tell you like, hey guys, sell gold at 2200, stop loss incoming. Oh my god. And then they will tell you, take the loss, guys, take the loss. We don't enter between. No, we enter exactly at. Alright, economic events, East African time. Boom, boom, boom. We continue. 5-hour hit. Right, clean. That is it. Sheesh. Is a Frankfurt whatever trade. Yo. No concerning events. Finance is harder than physics, but simple than physics. You cannot understand that. Longs. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Boom. And here it comes. Trade 21. 6R. Another clean one. Frankfurt. Clean one. Very clean. Impulse entry. This is trade 22. Another 6R. For the shorts. Yeah, for the shorts. Another clean one. London. Mid-London. Like that. This is the Frankfurt that we had. You remember the previous one? And this is the next one. Boom, boom, boom. Clean one. You can have an objection. This was the data that I sent. And many of the guys started advising me, it looks like you have a lot of emotions. Bro, it's only that I have data. You might be worse than me. Congratulations. Thank you guys. We are pushing. This is 27 views. We're getting somewhere. We'll be having thousands of them. The goal is not to have a group of people. This was missed. The goal is to grow together. I was waiting for the extreme zone. Alright. This is the demand zone. liquidation, this one, this one, and then we have this shift opposing zone. I was waiting for it to come for this liquidity and then tag me, but anyway, it was missed. I realized the solution is to go for the M3, M1. M1 sometimes it misses, because M3 you might be finding like it is this zone from here, like 3 minutes later, or it might be here anyway, because of this is 1, 2, 3. It could be having a candle like that, and then the next one will be here. And, you know, if you enter with this one right here, you will be having this humongous stop loss. Don't know how you'll cope with that, guys. SMT tag, this is GBPUSD, alright? I think GBPUSD was clean. I would consider, by the way, it was clean on this day. But sometimes it is, you know, we'll see about that. You can suggest, guys, do you think, guys, we should be taking also the data for GBPUSD? I don't know, you can suggest. We can correct another data for GBPUSD. We can do a 30-day challenge. Good morning, boom, boom, boom. This is week 3 economic events, boom, boom, boom. Do you realize something? We do top-down analysis. I explain this every day. At the end of the week, ETF both swing and internal bearish. Price is likely targeting and violating the weak swing low. For my immediate bias, I'm focusing on the bearish internal leg. Boom, boom, boom. Then I send the swing and the internals. H4. Boom, boom, boom. I explain clean. All right. Yeah. That is it. Boom. Here you go. Yeah. My MTF updates will be dropped as usual. Have your markups with your feedback. Alright, let's go. The market opened with a gap. This is on Monday. Anyway, let's go. No trades executed from my end. This is at night anyway. On my time. Good morning. Monday. But I don't know why. Mondays are very, I don't know, fake outs. These days the markets are opening with these big gaps, and then we don't have trades. Guys are going to fill the trade, the gaps. Now they become the liquidation. We are not rushing anywhere. We are around. There's nothing. Even if you get $1,000 breaking your rules, it will relegate. You'll be consistent with it, and then you become this guy who is obsessed with breaking rules. These are trades that I send, by the way. The only strategy you need in 2027 on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel too, guys. Now concerning news events, EU trade 23 outcome -1 hour. Oh, this is the negative. And I send all of them because you could be thinking, maybe should I be hiding these trades? This is Frankfurt. What is it? Because we have guys, this is a valid loss. I agree, it's a valid loss. Perfect, everything in touch, but sometimes the market, you don't know what is the sentiment, you don't know what is moving the markets. This is bad. This is the Asian high, man. It is liquidated. We liquidate this. Alright, another one liquidation here. We are inside this demand zone, supply zone, and then you get this liquidation shift, opposing zone here, opposing liquidity, tag like sure, and then rejection, and then I say good, we have a rejection, let us go risk free. This break even should be here. Hey Davey, why are you trying to break rules? But anyway, FOMO, but sometimes it's good to be wise. Euro USD price update. Be careful of these liquidity sweeps. Then you start selling inside an LTF bullish in leg like this one. Let the noise end, then we engage. Rules, bro. I mean, like, you can get into this trade, but hey, look at that. This is the reg, the LTF leg. This is the low, this is the high. London is just playing inside there. So if you try to sell, yeah, liquidation of the, or this is the after the liquidation of the whatever, the Asian high. I was looking for an entry model, there was nothing. And after this big rally, I don't like these rallies. I just like this consolidation, and then like, let me show you here. Let me show you here. By the way, I've done my analysis. It's done. I've done my top-down analysis just to update it. Everything is set. Let's try to do this here. So this is what the market does, guys. Like this. Like that. Alright, like that, and then we rally. I tell you guys, don't get into the market with this confusion. If you see that range, we call it range, right? The market range, we range, and then what do we call this? Manipulation, like initiation, mitigation, impulse. Got it? You understand it? Yeah, understand it. This is for those who are quick to understand, because this is a bank verse. It is a bank we are having. Alright, that is those are my markups. Where am I coming here? Let's go back to Telegram group. Yo, let's this is a market sentiment. What is this? Shorts 39%. Look at these positions. 20,000 lots, 27,000 lots. Do you realize that when we have many people who are longing, the market will always short? So just look at the sentiment, but sometimes it's not one of my 2024 outcome. We're waiting. Boom, boom, boom. Unfortunately, but this trade I saw it like it was a break-even trade, but hey, this is Frankfurt. This is the LTF demand zone. These are BE's break-evens. Demand supply zone. Liquidation, and we get these. Boom, 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 and then tag, and then break-even. And I was like, this is a break-even trade, but who said that? 3R, here we come. I thought this is a buy-side liquidity, could be cleared out, but sometimes the trade lands very well like that. It was a clean one, by the way. This is how many hours? I don't know. And then you got like a 10R on the save. I said, see you on the EOD markups data, just to show you guys we are executing. Thursday and Fridays. These other days, these are red days. Data logic rules. 6 days remaining. Boom, boom, boom. Then we are done. Good morning. This is something that I sent you. So we are here 50%. We target a 6-hour trade is not here. Man, I mean, like it's like we are profitable. Okay. So we continue. We're going to have even as we finish up. See you at top-down analysis. Blessings ahead. This is on a Saturday. Case study last Saturday. I took this fractal, whatever, and then break even. We rally to the downside. Then I send this week 4 July East African time calendar, whatever. Boom, boom, boom. Same. We show up every day. We go in. Last week, this was a tricky one. Euro USD shorts missed, bro. I mean, like, this is a missed trade. We have missed like all of them. Trade idea, risk free, break even. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go to the break even. This one, you look at that. I sent you guys for you to see this. Okay, that is my broker. So, but if you go here, there is no break even. You go to which? This one. You can look at that. There's no break even. No, there was break even right there, because we were inside this zone, and then you got liquidation, shift. This is our opposing zone. Here, this opposing liquidity. It got tagged. Boom, break even. We are out, guys. I said that whatever. Break even trade missed, y'all. This was a bad one, man. That week was a tough one. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Trade 26, -1R. Let's go to the stop loss. Sha. Quickly. I don't know whether there was no shift here, but the PBL failed very well. That is it. Missed. Okay. Good morning, traders. This is July 28th. Missed. Case study. Boom, boom, boom. Trade 27, 0R. What is that? Risk free. That is a risk free trade. And then, boom, out. Frankfurt. Oh, guys, what are you doing in? That was a tough one. It becomes mental. This was a missed one, by the way. Rules are rules. You could have gotten in here. But hey, guys, I just missed it. Then price rallied to our take profit. Good morning, traders. This is economic calendar. Swing is bearish defined, whatever. Look at that. Trade 28, 6R. That is the trade idea. And then here we are. We hit TP. This was tricky. This was tricky to hold. But this is Frankfurt. I hit the same trades. The same trade. We had the same trade on, was it 2nd of August? You can look at the entry model. The same exact trade. -1R. Sheesh. This was a painful one. 2 pips stop loss. Sure. Then we rally downside. And then here we come. We finish up 5R. Trade 30. The last trade. That is the trade 30. Then clean. This is a mid Asian or whatever order block, and then we are in. Yeah, nothing. Liquidation, shift, tag, break even, whoosh, to the downside. All right. So guys, I don't have much to tell you. So that has been it. This was a missed one. Boom, boom, boom. Out. Missed. Man, this is London. No posting zone. No tag. Break even level. But we had this opposing liquidity. Break even level was violated, invalidating the trade. So that is it. Nothing to tell you more. And make sure you stay in here and ask questions. I want us to be doing lives, live trading. That is my plan. So guys, stay tuned so we see what we can do together. So have a blessed day, have a great day. I'll see you next time, and have a great time. So there's nothing more to tell you. What I can just tell you is lock in, enter, blow the first account, fund another one, and then blow it, fund another one, and then break even, and then another one, break even, another one, you win, and the rest of your life you win. I can't tell you getting in to win. No, you get in, you lose, you get in, you lose, you get in, you break even, you get in, you break even, then you win forever. All right, I believe you're having great time. So mine is just to wish you a profitable August. Yeah, so that is the data of the month of July, and then that is perfect, that is great. Okay, so let's go. See you next time. Bye bye.